So electron microscope and its uses. It's used in the industry to study the structure of the textile fibers, the surface of the metals, and the composition of paints. In medicine and biology, it is used to study about the virus and bacteria. In physics, the electron microscope have been used in the investigation of atomic structures and structure of crystal in detail. What could be the limitations of electron microscope? An electron microscope is operated only in high vacuum. This prohibits the use of the microscope to study living organisms which would evaporate and disintegrate under such conditions. That's the major limitation.